Okay, so you're seeing the group meeting quiz and then the Excel spreadsheet?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, good. He's over. Okay. We ready to start?
Yes.
Yes.
Who wants the first one?
I'll have it. Let's see. I'll read the question. Suppose we have a set of peer data and let D equals X after minus the null hypothesis equals 0, the alternative hypothesis. Okay, and then the population standard deviation is not known. Jordan collects a sample of size n equals 9 and computes the equals 2.2 and what is that SD anyway, equals 3.3. So they're asking what is the value of the test statistic.
Okay.
Now, is that a point value then, or
It's a number. It's the
okay,
the
so
test statistic in this case is the t-score.
the t-score. Okay. So let me get my I'm going through my notes. Okay, so is a formula for the t score. Let me just get the formula going.
Sure.
Okay.
All right.
Are you able to find it?
Yeah. Well, I put all the numbers and it gives me 2.
That's right.
Okay.
Okay. Who wants question 4? Should I take it or?
Please then. I don't that one.
You want me to do this one or you want it?
Please, can you do it?
Sure. The probability of obtaining a test statistic greater than Jordan's test excuse me, statistic is 0.0403. Use this probability to determine the p-value for Jordan's hypothesis test. So this is kind of easy logic. If this is the chance of going higher than his probability, right? That's one skew. And so we don't want just the one skew. We just need to know that it's not equal to it. So it's double that number. Because it would be right and left skew. This represents the right skew, and we want right and left. So it's 0.081.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. The next one, we will using the data in chapter 12, data A1. Okay. Perform a pair sample t-test in Excel. Be sure that the test does group 1 minus group 2. Use a null hypothesis of the null hypothesis is 0, and alternative hypothesis is the mu of the pairs is not equal to 0, and level of significance equals 0.10. What is the test statistics? Okay, we transfers our values into that quantitative inference, and we got it right there. We got the t in the 0.407. This is the test statistics, right?
Yep, I agree.
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
Gabriella, is that your turn?
Yeah. What is the p-value? So, could I find that? So we'll go to the applet. Don't we have to do the applet in this one?
No, it's right. It's listed right here in the Excel.
Let me see. Oh, okay. Oh, it is 0.68. How many decimal? 3.
3.
688.
6, 8, 9.
689.
Okay.
Oh yeah, because it's 887.
Okay.
Okay, and then it says, what is the correct decision based on this evidence? It is to fail to reject, and that's because the p-value is over 0.05.
Over. Okay.
Okay, I agree. Point. Okay. Next one, suppose your alternative hypothesis is instead alternative greater than 0. What is the correct decision based on this evidence? So now we change, okay, greater than right there in our null hypothesis, and now our p-value will be 0.344, right? So now we have insufficient evidence that the mean of the differences is greater than 0, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
All right. Use the data file for chapter 12 to answer the next 8 questions. Perform a pair sample t-test in Excel. Be sure that the test does group 1 minus group 2. This data comes from Noso bacterial infections. The null hypothesis is equals 0. The alternative hypothesis is correct. And the level of significance is mu. Okay, equals 0.01. So the question is, which is greater, n or the difference?
The DF is
Oh,
oh, what's that called? It's oh, why
exactly. Blank
can't-
difference.
I forgot what it's called, but the DF is always one number less than n. Always. So n is 22. The DF is 21. It's always one less than. It's the
So
let me look at my notes.
The difference. I forgot the name also.
yeah.
Oh, degrees of freedom.
Oh, decrease.
Yes. Yes.
Degrees of freedom. Right.
There we go.
Thank you.
Say sen, yeah.
The p-value is 0.001.
Yes, I agree.
Yes.
Now, what you make? Since our alpha is 0.01 and our result is less than that value, that's why we reject the null hypothesis, right?
Reject, yes. Then I'll happen. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. Number 12, you decide to try another alternative hypothesis. This time you use hypothesis less than 0, and you keep the same level of significance. Did the p-value increase or decrease? Okay. A decrease.
Yes, I agree with you.
And because of that, we're still rejecting the null hypothesis.
Yes, I agree. And based on your response from the previous question, what conclusion do you make? You know, here I am a little confused because since we are rejecting the null hypothesis, I know we have sufficient evidence that there is a mean, but I don't know. Let me just check. There's I don't know which one of the two, the first one or the third one.
Well, I think there is not enough information there for that. Oh, are we? I'm sorry. Where are we?
We're on 14.
Sorry, I
14.
was one step ahead.
Don't worry. I know that we have sufficient evidence that there is no mean difference. Okay, the mean didn't change. That's why I thought it was the first one, but I think I got it wrong.
I think it's this one. We're rejecting the null hypothesis, which means that we're accepting the alternative. Oh no. It's a good thing I saved. Hold on just a second. Why is it doing this?
Okay.
Turn off voice commands. I downloaded the new update and now it's everything I say it's typing in here.
Oh,
That's
I see.
hilarious.
Well, I don't know how to turn it off. I'll have to figure that out, but let's see if I can't get back in.
Okay.
Oh, and I hope it didn't ruin our,
Oh, the video?
yeah. Oh, it looks like it's still going.
Oh, awesome.
Yes, it says something right up.
Well, let's hope it works.
Okay.
So back to this. Okay, so I think it's this one because we rejected the null,
Okay.
and so the alternative is that there is a difference between the two.
Forget the difference.
Okay. So it's a mean difference. Okay. Thank you.
And then, Gabriella, you said not enough information. I think you're right.
Yes, I agree.
Okay, and then is it my turn?
Yes.
If I can take the following and you can take the next one. Is that okay?
Sure.
Okay, thank you. What is the, okay, determine the 95% confidence interval for the mean difference between the two groups using group 1 minus group 2. Input your answer below. Okay, what is the point estimate for the 95% confidence interval? So our point, don't worry, our point estimate is our sample mean difference, and it is 11.9. Do you agree?
Yes.
I do agree.
Yes.
Okay.
So what is the margin of error for the
next one?
So all you have to do here is what we're looking for is the confidence level and how much it goes between the confidence level and the mean here. So what you're looking at is you take 18.607 right here, the confidence interval high, minus 5. Subtract the one from the other there, and then divide by 2 to get to the middle of it. And so it's 6.652.
Okay. That's the way we get the margin of error. Thank you.
Because it's plus or minus 6.652.
Okay. Thank you.
So the lower bound of the confidence is right here, the 5.303.
Yes. And our upper is the next one. 18.607.
Yes.
All right, we ready to
Okay.
submit here?
Ready.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. Awesome. Great.
Thank you.
Yeah. No, thank
Yes.
you. Yeah. That was great.
Thank you very much.
So let's see
Yes.
how I end the. I hope that got everything.
You think it cut off the video?
I don't know. I'm trying to find out here. Let me close all this down. Oh, good. We have Google Hangouts still here. Should just be able to stop the broadcast.